We're building in Riyadh. What were the challenges for you guys
So
to build
I love
there?
Pakistan. I will always be here. But I thought if I want to make $1 billion business, I can never do that in Pakistan. And that's when I saw Saudi. So Saudi economy, Aramco, which is Saudi oil. Do you know what the operating profit is per year? $300
Yeah,
billion
yeah.
is the operating profit today of Aramco, Saudi Aramco.
But what stops other Saudis who have probably much more money to replicate your business idea in the next 2 years?
Talent.
Right.
If you look at the consumption of Pakistan since 47 to the 90s, was the number one airline in the world, right?
Right.
We give the first 4 airlines to planes to Emirates. The best bankers in the world, Pakistanis.
Right.
Up to the 90s, all the Arabs they respected Pakistan to this. Unfortunately, from the 90s to 2010, we became what? Taxi drivers,
Labor.
terrorists,
Bilkul.
laborers,
Yeah.
ABCD.
Yeah.
That now has changed.
Right. So we're building in Riyadh. What were the challenges for you guys to build there?
so
Did
as
you
I
have
told-
to hire architects, engineers, which are separate from?
So as I
over
told
here?
you, I moved
Yeah.
to Pakistan
Yeah.
because I thought Pakistan दुनिया बदलेगा, हम आगे चलेंगे. But unfortunately, I mean, मैं बोलूँगा नहीं, you know, मैं जेल चला जाऊँ. But anyways, you guys know what I mean. Generally, Pakistan is very tough. Kareem invested $500 million in Pakistan, shut down, and I love Pakistan. I will always be here. I'm here half and half. But I thought if I want to make $1 billion business, I can never do that in Pakistan. And that's when I saw Saudi. So Saudi economy, and just for everyone to know also, okay, Saudi has 36 million people.
Right.
This is larger. So if the GCC today has about 100 million, 40 to 50% are in Saudi. Aramco, which is Saudi oil. Do you know what the operating profit is per year?
No.
Take a guess.
I probably wouldn't even be calculating it on my calculator.
Okay.
What is it?
$300
$1 trillion.
$300
Yeah.
billion
Yeah.
is the operating profit today of Aramco, Saudi Aramco.
Right. Operating profit means that
Net profit.
it's net
the
profit.
profit
Right.
is 300 billion.
Right.
अब वो कहाँ जाना है? Eventually economy में जाना है ना?
Right.
कहीं ना कहीं से economy में जाएगा. सऊदी में जाएगा. चलो 100 billion उन्होंने ट्रम्प को दे दिया, अमेरिका को दे दिया. 200 तो वहाँ जाएगा ना? And this is excluding Hajj and Umrah.
Right. Right.
So,
Bilkul.
so just
Bilkul.
FYI, so when I saw the market, I thought, yeah, nascent market. And other thing, Saudi 5 years ago, I mean,
It's a very, very, very closed economy.
No.
Girls couldn't drive.
A girl could not drive a car.
Yeah, absolutely.
A girl could not go to a restaurant.
Right. Bilkul.
Let's say me, you, and someone goes to a restaurant.
Right. Right.
There's separate section.
Right.
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 We have separate section of feminine
Right.
औरतें, आदमी. So that economy, it is so nascent. The fact that before, if like it's your wife, or let's say my mother or sister, I'm not married. FYI. I said,
no, he's single and looking in Riyadh. Yeah.
But FYI that Saudi, a woman cannot go out, who could not 7 years ago go out without a hijab,
Right.
or covering. And I think because of that nascency of the economy, it shows that there's so much spending power. So Europe, everyone is depressed. UK, people get stabbed and
Right.
whatever.
Right.
Dubai, you guys are aware now.
Right.
Whatever's
Yeah.
going on, right?
Yeah.
So Saudi was very exciting in a sense that, now, this is the example I give everyone. So Saudi, when you go, you have your Zuma, your LPM, your 5-star hotel, which are charging thousands of dollars. But I say this, I call it a 10x effect.
Right.
So my elder brother Ahmed, head Deloitte for Saudi. He lives in an American compound. A compound for everyone is like a DHA,
Right.
but it has like a
Bilkul.
school inside,
Like a
has a gym,
gated community.
but at the same time, compound can people can do what they want to do. Right?
Right. Bilkul.
So inside the compound, if I go for a haircut, I pay 300 riyals, $100, about 30,000 rupees. I go outside the compound, I go pay 30 riyal.
Right.
And it's a Pakistani.
Right.
नहीं तो कह सर आए जी मैं आगे बाहर काटता हूँ I mean and it's the same thing
Huh.
and it's just, you go out so Saudi is so exciting because you have both which is
Because-
nowhere in the world where you
Nahin,
have a very large economy
But their culture has recently changed towards and is more sort of conditioned towards women now.
no but
Are those the people you want
no,
to
so-
attract as well?
no,
I mean,
so
there is happening in
Saudi
Pakistan.
today, when
all
you
that
look
thing.
at Saudi the economy is opened in a way where it's very exciting in the sense
No,
that
my question is that it's just recently opened, right? So
it opened 5 years ago. So, I'll give you an example.
So the
Pakistan
girls who didn't have all this opportunity,
Forget
now
girls.
they're stepping into opportunity,
it's
right?
not just about girls.
Right.
So, girls they can drive cars.
Yeah.
Before, if you spoke to a Saudi national, he could not go to a mixed school. For the first time,
Right.
he can go to cinema with a girl.
Right. Right.
You can,
Wow.
oh, forget girl. Let's say I want to go on a date.
Yeah.
I can go have dinner with a girl publicly.
Right.
5 years ago, I could not.
Right.
I could not drive. A girl could not drive a car. I had to go and wear a burqa. If I didn't wear a burqa, I would get
Yeah.
like so. It's for the first time in my life. The economy has opened so much, right?
But I mean, how long do you think this is going to sustain? Do you think this is
No,
going to be
it's not-
a complete change
guys,
for them,
no, it's
or is it like a short-lived thing?
Long Saudi. So I give you an example. So guys, so Saudi Arabia today is here to change. The king in Zambia is very, very pro the West.
Right.
Because of that, you see this economy, which is this huge economy, like billions of dollars, that is being pushed. And from that it trickles down now. And that's why today, when you look at Dubai is saturated. Dubai में बहुत competition है. If I go to Dubai today, I have 1,000 collabs to compete with.
Right.
Saudi, there's no one else.
Right.
So if I make a good product, good community, good sort of enterprise,
But what stops other Saudis who have probably much more money to replicate your business idea in the next 2 years?
talent.
Right.
Pakistan has the best talent in the world.
Right.
We today, look at, I mean, there's a Pakistani jacket.
Yeah.
So the idea is that attention to detail,
And also
art, music,
Yeah.
attention to detail, anything you do today.
Right. And I also want to ask, like a few years ago, and I don't know if I should say this or if it'll be okay to say,
Say.
but Saudis are pretty racist towards Pakistanis, Indians, and all these cultures. Has that also changed?
देखो,
I mean, we were always second grade citizens,
Yeah, but
unless
देखो,
recently maybe our
no, it's not about that. I
Yeah.
think what's sad, unfortunately, is that if you look at the attempts of Pakistan since 47 to the 90s, Pakistan, PIA was the number one airline in the world, right?
Right.
We give the first 4 airlines to planes to Emirates. The best bankers in the world, Pakistanis.
Right.
Up to the 90s, all the Arabs, they respected Pakistan to this. Unfortunately, from the 90s to 2010, we became what? Taxi drivers,
laborers.
terrorists,
Bilkul.
laborers,
Yeah.
A, B, C, D.
Yeah.
That now has changed.
Right.
And that
How has that changed?
in the sense that if you look at today, the quality of the entrepreneur, the quality of the founder. Kareem today, what? $3 billion company?
Yeah.
Who's the founder?
Pakistan?
So I think that is what, as collabs today, what we're trying to do is change the narrative that we are not a dumb nation.
Yeah.
I mean, look at
Yeah, it's time to
look at the Hussein Rihaz of the world and Hassan Shariaz and A and B and C. Like, I mean, Pakistan has amazing talent.
How do you think Saudi is going to progress in the next 5 years with all the war around it happening, things like that? You think it's going to affect your business?
So, as I said, Saudi has 36 million people. 28 million are Saudi. Should I give you a stat?
That's a great stat.
So like, no,
Yes.
actually, I'll give you another stat.
So there's
Many.
there's hardly any
I will
foreigners.
give you all a wild stat.
Right.
Okay? I'll give you the most wild stat.
Go
So let's say that I want to send someone flowers.
Yeah.
There's a flower delivery company in Saudi called Flowyard.
Right.
The revenue last year, $1 billion. No,
Fuck off.
I'm serious. $1 billion. This
That
is
sounds
a
fucking made up.
Go check it.
Shit.
It's a
Crazy.
Saudi startup that is a flower delivery startup.
Really?
So if I want to say, so let's say,
What? They weren't allowed to deliver flowers before that?
no, but it just shows you the power of the economy.
Insane.
It is a stat that shows you that the Saudi economy is so strong.
Yeah.
कि अगर एक फ्लावर डिलीवरी कंपनी $1 बिलियन उसको छोड़ो उमर जानी पाकिस्तान में सीमेंट फैक्ट्री की the largest cement factory today probably does $300 million.
Right. Right.
Saudi में
बिल्कुल.
largest cement factory in the country cement.
Yeah.
Saudi में probably number 55 does $1 billion.
That's
So
insane.
if you look at scale, it's also because of the dollar peg.
Yeah.
So that's why the opportunity is that.
I also want to ask you, since you've recently started building and stuff in Saudi Arabia, and you've probably been able to interact with a lot of Saudis, has their perception of Pakistanis also changed, in your opinion?
Dekho, yeah, being very open. I 8 months ago, I realized that if I do not go international, I can't scale.
Right.
पाकिस्तान बैठ के जब मैं पाकिस्तान में हुआ ना डॉलर $100 का था और डॉलर कितने का
290.
जी so I mean 3 times, right?
Right.
So if I want to scale or if I want to build a dollar product, यहाँ बैठ कर नहीं होगा ना.
Right. बिल्कुल.
Like my nana was like in the 90s डॉलर का $20 का था. So
and in that case, if after Saudi, where would you like to be?
I think after Saudi, so just back to Saudi and the dollar.
Yeah.
If you want to make $1 billion business, and this is why I call it the 10x effect.
There's going to be $1 billion business, guys.
So the 10x effect, being very open. देखो, पाकिस्तान बैठ के ना आप 10x नहीं कर सकते. आप पाकिस्तान बैठोगे, ठीक है. It's very good to build a team. I give you an example. Systems Limited, largest IT company in Pakistan today, does $500 million revenue. Today, if you want to become $1 billion business, right? I say I want to become a unicorn, right? Right. The way you become $1 billion business is you go into this market. But why do I talk about Saudi? I give you the example of the flower company. So simple. Pakistan took me 6 years. I moved to Pakistan 19. When we start Pakistan, you know our revenue.
Right.
You're one of our investors.
Absolutely.
You made a lot of money. Yes or no?
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
100%. I did. Thank you. Thank you.
Just for everyone to know.
Still paying my bills.
So just for everyone to know, Omar was one of the early investors at Collabs. He helped us fund the business in 2018.
Right.
He came up with not just a name.
And I honestly, that was half the money I had in my bank. And I was like, let's do it.
But the point is, if you want to become
I've always been poor.
You're rich now. But yeah. But the point is, like, if you want to become $1 billion business, you have to become global.
Right.
Saudi competes, but not Pakistan. Saudi competes with the US, with Europe, everyone else. And that is why if I spent 6 years building Pakistan, 8 months of Saudi, when I launch on the 12th of April, and inshallah, by December 2026, my revenue in Saudi for one building.
Yeah.
So we're launching Collabs Narjis,
right?
Inshallah, 12th of April, which is our first campus in Saudi Arabia, which is 40,000 square feet.
Right.
Pakistan, we manage 400,000 square feet, 10 locations.
Right.
My Saudi campus will be equal
to all the landscape here.
So what's the story?
Absolutely.
10x.
Absolutely.
10x Saudi will be Pakistan.
Are you going to sell your?
They're distracting me at the back.
Are you going to sell your business after it's successful soon? Are you going to be one of those early retiree entrepreneurs?
Yeah, I believe that life is short, and I believe that if you don't have purpose in life, you can't be happy.
Right.
You see me.
Hmm.
I wear a black t-shirt. If my jeans there, my jeans, but
Well, I mean,
down.
before you were wearing Gucci all the way.
Bullshit.
You were always wearing this.
Maybe 15 years.
he was never wearing anything fancy.
But I think the idea is that if you look at purpose in life
Yeah.
and you look at where you come from, if you're not happy, there's no point in life, right?
Right.
And the happiness is very limited. So for me, the goal is to build a global business.
Right.
The global business starts from Saudi. Today, our HQ is Saudi, and we will build out of Saudi.
Right.
So from Saudi, we will build Qatar, Bahrain.
Yes. Come on.
I mean, Dubai.
Come on.
Oman. And through that, we become a global international player. And inshallah, I think what अभी 2026 है. I think goal यही है ना कि 2027 या 28 में आप exit कर जाओ. पर आराम से मैं कहता हूँ इंसान का
Of course.
$100 million हुए बंदा बैठा हुआ घर पे relax करे.
And on that note, Mr. Umar, to end this podcast, are you happy?
Yeah, I think I'm happy. Yeah,
Yes?
I think now. So I mean, I think one thing I didn't talk about is so today when you look at collabs, right?
Yeah.
So we do not just space. Through the space, we have what we call our entrepreneurship program.
Right.
So Co-Grow. Co-Grow mein, we do a lot of entrepreneurship. We do a freelancer fellowship program. We have over 100 freelancers every quarter. We give them free seats. And that's our way of giving back. Our art program, every month, so art program started 3 years ago,
Right.
which is the CCC,
Yeah.
where we now work with Canva and you
Right.
guys, everything going on. Every month, when we do the open call for art, we have over 500 artists who apply.
Amazing. Fantastic.
Today in Saudi, in May, we're doing the first Pakistan-Saudi art exhibition. We're taking
Amazing.
Lovely. Artists from Pakistan
Lovely.
to Saudi Arabia. So I think we talk about happiness now. That's happiness, yeah. Happiness क्या है? जिंदगी में खुशी होए.
Yeah, आप
अच्छे
लोगों को
दोस्त
खुश देखना
होए.
चाहते हैं.
देखो,
असल में खुशी असल खुशी तो यही है. हाँ, ये हम podcast के बाद हम
नहीं, so I want to show you something. So
you gotta show it to the camera. That's what I'm saying.
So
Go on, show it.
So the idea is that like happiness comes out कि आप दुनिया में क्या कर रहे हो? आप दुनिया में इम्पैक्ट लेके आ रहे हो कि नहीं लेके आ रहे हो? You good?
मेरे ख्याल में आप ला रहे हैं.
I mean, कोशिश तो कर रहे हो ना?
I wish you best of luck. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate
Thank
it.
you for having me.
And may
And we
collabs
missed.
grow.
Oh, sorry, guys, we missed Ali Shah. Yaar.
Yes.
I mean,
Yes.
what do I do?
We'll Photoshop him later.
We can put a mooch on you or something.
Or
But क्या करें?
camera him later or something. Thank you so much, brother.
Bye, guys.